how to get anime filter on Instagram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram app on your device. After opening up, you need to log into your account. So in order to find the anime filter, you need to first go to your camera on your Instagram. So for that, you have to tap on the profile icon with plus in the left upper corner. You can also swipe to left in order to get the camera. So here you'll be able to see the various filters in the lower button. So you have to swipe the filters until you get the browse or search bar. And here at last you can see the browse effects option, so you have to tap on that and you'll be able to see the list of filters over here. In order to get the anime filter, you have to tap on the search bar in the left hand side and you have to search for anime. And you can see here are various effects of anime. You can simply select the type of filter you want, and after that you can try on your face and it will work. So by following this simple step, you can get anime filter on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.